Yo, what's up? This Clazz Clown. I'm back with another fucking reaction video. You already know I'm about to react to the effcts TV. I used to watch them way before he hit 1 million subscribers. I watched them when he used to do the what's that shit? The fake Jordan pranks. Man, that shit used to be funny as fuck, man. But let's get it up in here, man. Let's get it. But I'm reacting to moaning in people ear prank. Damn, lip getting all wet and shit. But yeah, moaning in people ear prank. This shit sound like it's gonna be funny as fuck. So let's get this shit started. I'm about to get hot right up into it right now, my boy. All right, 1, 2, 3, let's get it.
Come here, I got something to tell you. What? Yes, you like that shit?
Yeah.
Thank you. You want a picture together?
He look mad as a bitch. Oh, this nigga fucking retarded, man. That nigga retarded. I'm ready to fight a nigga. He moaning in my ear like that. Dude moaning with him. You fucking fruit. What's they doing? Hey. You look bad as a he like a fucking weird ass nigga anyway. Oh shit.
What's you want?
You like that? This is where he told her. Is that thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Hell yeah. Thumbs up.
New to MMA.
It's all out.
New to martial arts, especially mixed martial arts. Competing against kids like Ricky.
It's just funny because it's random as fuck, like a random nigga
Friendly
just
guy, I
doing
like
moaning in your ear.
Thank you, man.
This shit is weird.
Yeah, there you go.
What the
That's
fuck?
what's up. You
What
too.
the
You need
fuck?
one too.
Dude go moan.
You've been watching too much porn. That's the problem. You know what I mean?
Want a picture?
At least he moaning like a girl. At least he ain't on, you know, moaning in niggas' ear like, oh yeah, oh yeah. This shit is weird as fuck. Even weirder. This shit.
Yeah?
Look
Strip club.
what made him
Take me?
think about this shit? Like,
I got like one guy in the restroom. That's why.
crazy.
We're trying to get like laid, so we're trying to hear girls moan like this. You know what I mean? I would, but
Retarded, man. Shit funny.
Action kid me.
You see it?
I want to talk to you.
Nigga move from the other side like suck on that nigga, man.
No. Oh, you trying to figure out where to go? Oh, you want what? What do you want?
Oh,
What's this?
shit.
Bellagio?
The Bellagio?
It kind of looks like the Bellagio.
Right there.
Bellagio, right there.
This nigga is fucking retarded, dog.
Yeah. Hey.
You go down there. Far away.
Ah, this nigga is crazy.
All right. All right. Yeah, good.
That shit funny. Nigga just kissed him on the mouth on accident.
What? Hello.
Go away. Go away.
This nigga like, man, this nigga don't fuck around. Oh shit. This nigga look mad as hell. Like, you motherfucker, I'll bust you in the motherfucking head, nigga. That shit. Oh, that nigga look funny. Nigga whole day ruined. You about to moan at me, Spider?
What's up? Ah, Spider-Man.
Yes, I am.
What's up, man? You got the shield.
No, yes.
You got. Damn, bro, you're so good. Everyone always asks about you. So there he is, right here.
How are you? Good, good.
Good. How you doing, man?
Good.
Anything you want to say to the people that love you?
I love you, yeah.
What do you want to say? Say in the message.
Wrong setup.
I need more people take a picture with me.
More people take
take
pictures
pictures
with him.
me.
And give a like and subscribe for her.
There you go.
Nigga sound
Thank
like
you.
Peter
Yeah.
Child.
Michael Jackson, have a good one, bro.
Oh, do you look my new custom good?
This
Good,
nigga
man. I
retarded.
like it.
But why more people say Spider-Man now with the Captain American still? Why?
don't
Spider-Man
know.
still Spider-Man, Captain America is Captain America. You see?
See?
But he don't know. I'm from the Civil War, you know Civil War?
Civil War, yeah.
Spider-Man like this.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, I get it. I get it now.
Like this.
There
I
you
was
go.
gonna say, why
Okay.
you got Captain
Come
America
take a
shit?
picture with him
You hit
and
Blitz.
give him the tip. Just the tip.
Yeah, big tip, big tip,
Big,
tip.
big tip.
Yeah.
Big.
No.
Oh,
Nigga
not big.
retarded,
No,
dog.
like that. No, that's it, man.
Oh, this nigga funny. Oh shit. Man, that shit was funny as fuck. Oh my goddamn. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm about to put out some more, reaction videos right after this, man. So you already know. Like, comment, subscribe, stay updated. I got a new video coming out with Drano TV. It's gonna be on GTA 5. That shit gonna be fire. I'm gonna have it on my channel. So like, comment, subscribe, man. We out this bitch. Cheers.